Unbox my new Kokoist Le Blanc lamp with me. This lamp features a silent mode and a pulse mode for low heat spikes. It comes packaged in this nice sturdy box, which I would keep just in case you need to send it back for servicing. And this is the power cord, and this green portion, I think I read somewhere that's for if you're living in the UK, and then that's the wall adapter. The lamp itself inside the box is also in this foam padding. The shape of the lamp is more of a true square shape, as opposed to the Chiarosky, which is more of a rectangle. It's about that big. If you don't have much space on your desk, I would definitely consider the Kokoist over the Chiarosky. To turn on the lamp, you can go ahead and press the 90-second or the low heat mode, and then to turn off the beeps, you can go ahead and press the 10-second mode, and the beeps will be gone, and you can press it again to bring them back. The buttons are nice and clicky, which I like, and then the 4 little dots next to the battery just tells you the battery life. There's also a really nice handle in the back, as well as where you would attach the power cord. There's 2 sets of prongs that you can use to elevate the lamp. One set is on the metal plate, and then the other set is on the unit itself, so if you're doing pedicures, you can still get elevation on the lamp when you take off the metal plate. The prongs are also really easy to move. The lamp also does have hand motion detection, so once you push your hand in, it'll automatically start the timer. And these are what the lights look like. There's quite a few, and I also like that they included the lights on the side to make sure that your thumb's secure. As I mentioned before, the metal plate lifts up, and it's held by really strong magnets. There's one in each corner. And the hand plate, or the metal piece, also comes with spots so that if you are a nail tech, your clients know where to put their hands. And it attaches right back on super easily. I also really like that there's a lot of clearance with the lamp so that you or your client don't accidentally ding your hand inside the lamp. Not sure if the camera will pick this up, but the unit itself isn't just a plain white color, it's this really pretty pearlescent, shimmery white. This is the lamp that I originally wanted, but because it's always sold out, I got the Chiarosky lamp. I haven't even had that lamp for a year and 2 bulbs already fused, so I'm sending it for servicing, but I will do a comparison between these 2 lamps.